Good morning, class. This is Mr. Walker here coming to you with our next lesson. We're talking about rotating at a non origin. This will be real quick, so don't worry about any issues that you may have from before. You just got to make sure that you follow along with me and put in some effort, dog. All right. So we got two methods of rotating. First one is using patty paper and drawing it hands on with a visual version. Now, patty paper is the same thing as tracing, so don't worry if you don't got that. If you can trace over it and then rotate it, that's going to be what we're doing. So, first we mark our center of rotation on the graph. We take our tracing paper and we put it over. And what we're going to do is we are going to trace our origin and then we're going to move that over there to where that center is. And then what we're going to do is we're going to trace our picture as our pre-image. Then from here, we're going to rotate this using whatever the rotation is. So this one is 90. And we're just going to go through and hold down the paper. And then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees, which will give us our new shape. Now, with these points here, these are going to be what points we're going to go through and note, and we are going to draw those points on our original graph. So that means that we will have this picture here. All right, so that's one of our ways. Now, the other way is using a more math oriented way. So we're going to have to probably use a table, get some scratch paper out, and then hold it down. So with this, we use addition and subtraction to apply our previous rotation rules. So we're going to rotate this triangle over here 180 degrees around this center. So first what we do is we're going to subtract the center point from each of our points on our shape. So these are our points D, E, and F, and we're going to subtract negative 4, 2 from each of them. So once I do that, that's going to give me these points as if they were inside of the coordinate plane and we were rotating around the origin. So once we get these new points, we're going to apply the rotation rule like we did from our previous lesson. So we're rotating 180, which just means that both our x and our y will change signs. So that gives us negative one, negative 1, 5 turns into a 1, negative 5. Negative 2, 1 turns into 2, negative 1. And 3, 5 turns into negative 3, 5. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add back the center that we had subtracted earlier to each of these new points. So adding this back gets me these 3 points for D, E, and F. Now the math oriented way or the tracing way, either way will get you to what you need to, man. Now, you're going to try these out, okay? There's a couple of these questions on our quizzes that have these 4 examples for you to practice with. They're also on our digital notes, so if you need to go and check it, you can check on there. All right, I appreciate you for watching. Real quick video this time, only about 4 minutes, because I'm going to go through and let you hit up most of the practice on your own. All right, people, I'll catch you later.